Google Drive is a great tool to use for group projects such as peer editing. You need a Gmail account to start. Log in to drive.google.com or just type Google Drive. Enter your Gmail account name and password, and you will see a screen that looks something like this. You want to click on New, and you'll see you have choices. Google Docs are like Word documents. Google Sheets are like Excel spreadsheets. Google Slides are like PowerPoints. We're going to click on Google Docs. The first thing that you want to do is give your document a title. You set the font type here, Times New Roman. Here's the size. Add a header if you need to. To do that, you go to the Insert tab and down to Header and Page Number. Header. You do want to justify it. And then go back to the Insert tab, back to Header and Page Number, and you'll go down to Page Number. You'll see the 4 pictures pop up, and you pick the one where you want the number to go. It defaulted back to Arial 11, so I'm changing it to that. Okay, now we have a header. Then you can add your heading. Now I want to change to double space. To do that, you go to where this arrow goes up and down. This is where your line spacing is. We'll do that. Put a title in. Left justify. And then you just start typing your essay as though you're typing a Word document. You'll notice there is no save button. That's because everything you do is automatically saved by Google Drive. You don't have to save anything. It is done in real time. I'm going to open one up that has some extra things here. So I've typed the essay, and now I want to share it. So you go to this blue button up here, and this is where you will enter the names, the email addresses of the people you want to share with. You'll also notice this pencil. You have 3 options if you click on the down arrow. Edit means they can actually go in and make changes, and the original that you've typed will go away. Can comment mean that they can go in and make comments on your essay, but they cannot make changes. Can view means they can read it, but they cannot comment or make changes. So you decide what you want them to do. And there's space for a note if you want to. So now you've shared it. Now it's time to peer edit. Once you put the email addresses in, an email will go to each person with a link to your paper. So to find the ones that you need to peer edit, you'll either get that link in the email, or if you go here to the Shared With Me, you can click on that, and any essays that have been shared with you will show up there as well. So now you've got an essay and you want to make some comments on it. So if you look at this box up here, you will see 3 possibilities. Editing is making changes that will change it permanently. Suggesting means it'll keep the original and put whatever changes in that you want. Viewing means they can read it, they can print it, but they can't do anything else. I generally suggest using suggesting because you may not want to have the original go away. So, if you want to make a comment, you would just highlight whatever you want to comment on, and you'll notice this plus sign. Click on the plus sign and a text box opens up. And type in your comment and then click on the comment button. Again, you highlight whatever you want to comment on, the plus sign appears, click on the plus sign, click on comment when you are finished. Now I'm going to show you how you can make changes without losing the original. So I see this word here, and I think it should be a different word. So I type in the word I want, and you can see it'll bracket in a color, and it will cross out the original. And here I want to put a subject in. All right, so you've made the comments. You do not have to share it again. It's already there. Whenever they want to go look at your comments and suggestions, they can do that. So you get your paper back and you see all these comments and suggestions. You can make whatever changes you want to. When you've made the changes, just click resolve and the comment goes away. Here, make whatever changes, resolve, comment goes away. With the suggestions, you see a check mark and you see an X. The check mark means, yes, I want to keep that. If you click on the X, it goes back to the original. And again, you do not need to save anything. Everything is saved automatically. One nice thing, too, about Google Drive is more than one person can work on a document at a time. And whenever anyone is working on the document, a circle up here with their initial appears, so you can see if anyone else is working on the document when you are. Once your paper is complete, you can download it. You do that by going over here to File, Download As, and you can do it as a Word document. Some teachers like PDF documents. Both choices are there. You would download it, save it to your desktop, and then upload it to whatever learning management system you would like to. You can access your paper or any of your group papers at any time from any computer. That's what makes this such a handy tool to use. Thank you for your time.